Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna tell how to make jelly. Now let's go to the video. Jelly, we need some essence, food color, agar-agar powder, 1 cup of sugar, and boil some 3 cups of. We should add the sugar in the boiling water. And we need 3 clean bowls. We should add 1/4 teaspoon of essence in every bowl and 4 drops of 4 drops of food color. After the sugar is melted, we should add 1½ teaspoon of agar-agar.
Mix it well.
After 5 minutes, we should add the boiling water into the 3 bowls equally. After the liquid comes to the room temperature, we should put it in the fridge. See how the colors came. Guys, now the jelly is ready. Now we're gonna put it into the plate. Now it's done.
Jiggle. Oh, this jiggliest.
Yeah. This is slippery.
So smooth.
I'm kinda jealous because my brother's doing first.
Elders first.
I don't care. Guys, we cut it and it's.
Woo!
It's so unsatisfying, bro. Guys, so we mixed it. Now I'm gonna taste it. Now see, guys, how it is. And
Oh, slippery.
I'm gonna take blue.
Very
So
good.
good.